Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever had a customer return something or ask for a refund at your store and you weren't sure how to handle it in Odoo 19 POS? So don't worry, I'll show you the exact step to process the refund perfectly without losing track of your inventory or sales. So first of all, let's make sure our POS session is open. For that, let's head over to the point of sales and you can find all the POS sessions. So let me continue with the furniture shop. And please make sure that it is active because refund can only be proceed in an open session. Okay. And next we need to find our orders that we need to refund. For that, let's head over to the order session. And there you can find the orders, the past orders, and there you can simply search for the orders by selecting a specific customer date or order number. So selecting the correct order is crucial because it links the refund to the original sales. So here I'm moving to the active button and there you can find ongoing payment and receipt and lastly the paid ones. So let's move the paid ones and there you can find the all orders that paid today. So here I'm going to select Eka Foresters this order. So let me select that. And once you have selected the order, there you can find an option which is to refund this particular orders. And before clicking on the refund option, we need to specify the quantity of the product. There you can find 5 quantity of drawer black is ordered by a cuff roaster and we are done with the payment and everything. So actually a cuff roaster need to return and refund the product. So let me specify with the quantity. So she needs to refund all the 5 quantity of that product. So let me specify with the quantity. And there you can find to refund 5 quantity of drawer black. And once we are done with that, just click on the refund option. And there you can find Odoo is basically duplicate the order with the negative quantity like $125. So for item being returned and refund, there you can find it. So this is basically ensure your stock and sales record remains accurate. So once we are done with that, now let's review the item and refund orders and everything. So once we are done with that, we need to process the refund. For that, let's choose the payment method. Here we have the 3 payment method, which is cash, card, and customer account. So here I'm going to give the payment refund through the cash. So let me specify with that and let's validate the option. So once we are done with that, there you can find, Odoo is giving the refund initiated and there we have the green icon. So a negative order is created and the negative amount is $125. And there you can find all the things are done. Okay, there you can find the receipt as well as from here. So that's simple. You can deal with the refund inside the POS. It's simple, accurate, and inventory friendly. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more Odoo tips and tutorials. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.